Okay, another ASMR video. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep pushing around until I can't, until someone maybe recognizes or else sees it. And again, we'll do tapping because I don't know how to roleplay. Sorry if you can hear someone outside my room. That is my mother and my brother. I'm so glad they're not coming in here. I want to just say, please consider subscribing. I know this might not be the best ASMR in the world, but it would help me a lot because I'm sure, as you can see, I probably don't have any follow or subscribers. Actually, I think I have one, but I don't know who that is. So, and it was before I even started posting, so it really doesn't count. But yeah. Please consider liking or subscribing, please. It'll be really helpful to me. Of course, maybe tell me what you'd like to see, because I went into this not knowing what I would post, and I just went with it. I'm gonna do something with one of my lounge fly bags. I have a lot of lounge fly bags. Oh, maybe I should do a video on them and like tapping them. I think that would sound really good. I don't know if anyone will like the zipper sound. I personally don't think I would, but I'll do it anyways. That sounded horrible. Or if you like it, to each their own, right? Make it a little closer. This bag, you know, I was gonna like, this is gonna be quite loud, so turn down your volume. So sorry. I wasn't gonna show my face, but why not, you know? Oh, the bag, she's beautiful, I know. Ignore how dark I am, ignore how I just disappeared. But I'm gonna do some tapping on her. These sold out so quick. I was basically crying when Mama got her for me because I didn't think I was gonna be able to get her. Ignore how chapped my lips are, please. Oh my gosh, my teeth. Don't look. I don't even know if y'all can hear that. I have, I think, 8 of these bags, but I only have about 3 right now because I am not at home. They're also very pretty. I have a whole bunch of Hello Kitty things because I love Hello Kitty and strawberry shortcake. Actually, now that I think of it, do a little bit of random roleplay, but I think I'm gonna do like the lip gloss type stuff that's so loud. It smells really good. This is champagne toast. My auntie gave this to me for my birthday. Very ASMR worthy. personally do too though, so I'm not judging.